Greetings everyone. We are the researchers from Golden Faith Academy and today we will be presenting our study titled Live Experiences of STEM Students at Golden Faith Academy on Visual, Auditory, and Kinesthetic Learning Preferences. Education plays an essential role in learning experience of students. However, each student absorbs knowledge differently. Some learn better with the help of visuals, some through listening, and others executing hands-on activities. Understanding style preferences becomes significant in education. This research highlights the need to align teaching methods with students' preferred learning styles to ensure academic success. Several studies emphasizes the need for recognizing and adapting to these learning preferences to enhance student performance, engagement, and motivation, especially in the STEM field. This study specifically aims to study the life experiences of STEM students at Golden Faith Academy in terms of visual, auditory, and kinesthetic. This study aims to understand how their learning style preference affects their academic performance, engagement, and motivation. This study aims to examine the effects of students' learning style preference in their academic life, identify how students apply these learning styles in their daily academic life. By understanding these life experiences, this research seeks to contribute to the development of teaching methods. This study is significant because it will provide insights about STEM students' learning style preferences by identifying whether students learn best through visual, auditory, or kinesthetic. Style educators and school administrations can design effective learning materials that suit each student's academic needs. This adjustment will improve academic success, performance, and engagement. This research study will be beneficial for the following students. This will enable learners to help their peers to further improve their academic performances, while teachers allows them to be aware on how their students will be more engaged and motivated to study, while school administrators will guide them to develop programs suitable for each preferred learning style of students. Overall, this study contributes to improving the academic performance and engagement to the students. This study is guided by two vital theories. It is Kolb's experiential learning theory and Piaget's constructivist theory. With the aid of both these theories, this study explains how STEM students learn best when their preferred learning style is matched with the teaching method used. On the next slide is the data gathering and sampling technique. We have utilized interviews and surveys among STEM students in order to collect qualitative data about their preferred learning style and academic experiences. Additionally, we applied purposive sampling as we have selected STEM students with experience and awareness of their learning preferences. This allows us to be certain that the data collected are reliable and relevant to the study. On this part of the slide, we have the Q&A. Why did you choose STEM students? Because they are often use analytical and practical learning approaches that align with experiential and constructivist theory. And why did you use purposive sampling? To ensure that only participants who understand and can reflect on their learning styles are included. The last question that we have is, what is the main goal of your study? To identify how STEM students' learning styles affect their academic performance and engagement. And once again, we are researchers from Golden Faith Academy that consists of 7 members. Thank you for listening.